Right guys, it's William Jamming, and you're watching a series of video about game development, and it started with a joke, and we named this name Crazy Llamax. So we got a llama, and llama can spit, and I'm going to make a llama spitting game, and most of the content was generated by artificial intelligence, the llama and the coyote, and a lot of wolves, of course. And right now we just got one enemy, and we call the enemy one and coyotes here. And yeah, that's not much of a game because we can only move this llama in a certain area. And if you don't know how to do that, please watch my whole series. Previously, I gave you guys a detailed instruction of how to do that. So let's in this video, I'm going to talk about how to generate enemy and make enemy actually move. So for those of you guys who just watch the channel randomly, stumble upon my channel, welcome. This channel is all about gaming, about app development, and about incorporation of artificial intelligence, and you're watching a game development series. And before we get started, I have a small favor to ask, guys. I upload video every day, and right now I got no revenue, so I haven't reached the YouTube's monetization hurdle yet. So the best way to support this channel and keep me updating all this content is to subscribe. It's really important for me is to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumb up. All right. So without further ado, let's get started. And let me get my brush, because if you watch my previous video and code and logic is really simple, but from this video on, we're going to make a little bit complex thing, because we haven't got a really complex logic for our enemy generation. So if you like to make the enemy, so essentially this wolf is attached on a certain thing, okay, and that thing, if you just treat this enemy as a entity and you hard coded a certain say a movement or something like that, and maybe something like that, you hard code a certain route for the enemy to go. We call that path. You're starting here and end here, okay? It won't scale. So what I'm trying to do is to scale this project so I can just write like a generator, like a spawner. Okay, so what I'm going to do is write a spawner here, and this spawner can generate a series of enemy, and this enemy are generate like a if you write code, it's like a class, like a factory that can generate a lot of instance of the enemy. So I'm going to write a spawner, and I'm going to write a series of enemies, and this enemy will move in a preset path, and this path will be customized that when you design this game, and you're going to randomize the path and randomize the different kind of enemies. So this is just one coyote. Well, what about you got a coyote, you got a wolf, you got for example elephant, something like that. You got all sorts of weird stuff generated. I like to generate at a wave at random. So we get, say this coyote, we got say 10 coyotes will coming out in pack. So a pack of coyotes coming, and it's like the first wave attack is coming, and we got a pack of 10 coyotes, and the second wave attack coming, and we got say 10 packs of a pack of 10 wolves, something like that. We'd like to do that. Okay, so basically we're going to write a mind or configure file to configure all that. So I'm going to say this will be a enemy mind. Enemy mind to get all the configuration ready. And then I'm going to add a enemy generator to generate all kinds of enemy. And then I'm going to write a enemy path to predefine the movement of every enemy. Okay, so this is just a basic idea, and yeah, let's do it. So first, let's start from the most simple one. I'm going to create a. Let's just pause this game for a bit. Right now, this game is still running, so let me pause that. And what I'm going to do is to go to this. Let me just bring out this edit mode, and we got a really big canvas here. And what I'm trying to do is to set a series of paths, so our enemy can actually get moving. And let's just move this llama. Let's move this llama here. And right, so if I move it here and rerun this game, okay, the llama will start from this position. Okay, that's good. And then let's test the paddings as well as the restraint. Yeah, this restraint still works perfectly. And okay, so let's add some paths, so the coyote or wolf or whatever enemy can follow this path. So what I'm trying to achieve is the path like this. So when the wolf coming, there will be something somewhere here and coming here, and it will just move this a little bit, so it's just more natural moving, and suddenly come forward and come forwards, then backwards a little bit, and then come forward, really aggressive like this, and then maybe just backwards and move that a little bit, and then back. Okay, so yeah, this is just one path that I'm doing. So the starting point will be here, and end point will be here. So it will move all the way, attack, and it will be mainly two waves of attack. This will be the first time he attacked, will be the second time he attacked, and then he will just coming up from the scene. We don't want to come here and then back here. We want you to back at this area. Okay, so then I can. The reason I'm doing that is that I can always flip that. Okay, I flip that. I can go the second, so it's starting here and then run back, run upwards. Okay, let me use a different color for that. So if I flip that, it will just go here and then attack. First attack, a second attack, and then it will maybe a bit, and then yeah. But you got an idea. Just add more randomness to this path, so let's get more realistic. So like the enemy just got this place a lot, and they are testing, and suddenly they jump, and then they turn back, and then they jump and attack again, and then if they can't get you, the enemy will just go away. Okay, so yeah, Once you are satisfied with that, I'm going to actually create this game object, and I'm going to say, I think I named the enemy pass. Okay, and I'm going to enemy pass. Let's start with 0. Okay, and let's add some more points. I'm going to say pass waypoint. Let's start with 0, and you can command D to duplicate that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just delete that. I think it's not a good way to name it. It's just a waypoint. Sorry, just a waypoint, and let's rename. And command D to duplicate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's really complex. Let me just add 10 waypoints. Okay, and then I can rename this to waypoint 0. Just get it much more consistent, right? And yeah, right now you can't actually see the waypoint, so you can manually change that to I use green, isn't it? So I'm going to switch that to green, and okay, so I can't see that anywhere. I think it's because of I can't see it.